Thank you, Mr. Speaker. And I certainly want to thank all of my colleagues for their engagement on this issue and point out that this is an important moment for the state. We all know that liberty issues are maybe the most important thing that our citizens have in their lives, and government taking away people's liberty is a step that we have to be very careful about. Depriving citizens of their property is also an incredibly important issue that we have to be very careful about. And I'm glad that today we are going to be moving into a world in which particularly low dollar asset forfeitures will have to be accompanied by a criminal process. And the reason that's so important is because in the case of low asset forfeitures, if people can't afford to fight to get small amounts of property back from the government, then they've functionally been denied their property right because they don't have access to the process to get their property returned. And so what we are voting on today will allow for citizens to get their property back in cases in which they have not, in fact, been proven to be involved in criminal activity. So I think that this is going to provide a lot of justice for a lot of our citizens, particularly some of our poorest and most vulnerable citizens who have the least access to justice in our system. So thank you all of my colleagues for consideration, and thank you to everyone who worked on this package. Pardon me, not this package, this bill.